Salale University is a public higher education institution located in the Oromia regional state of Ethiopia, approximately 112 kilometers north of Addis Ababa. The university was established in 2015, fulfilling a long-held dream and responding to the educational needs of the Salale community and surrounding areas, while also aligning with the government's goals of improving access to education. Salale University operates across 3 campuses: the General Tadese Birru main campus, the Abebech Gobena Health Campus, and the Gand Ferda Campus, which is currently under construction. The university's mission is to produce highly skilled and innovative graduates across a wide range of disciplines, engage in impactful, solution-oriented research, transfer technologies, and actively participate in community development through demand-driven initiatives.